Good evening. Welcome to Options Center. It is Thursday night, 2/17/22. Thank you for joining. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. Also, if this information helps, hit the like button. And I hope you enjoy this information. So we're going to check out ES on multiple time frames, weekly, daily, and on the 65, so we can see what's happening. Kind of a scary day. These moves are huge, but you know, in the big view of things, we hardly moved a bit. We actually just came right back down. We've been oscillating from that 50 week moving average to the 8 EMA on the weekly. So we've been oscillating back and forth, and we're still holding that 50. Now the 50, the last time we tested it was back in 2020 after the corona crash. We recovered it, haven't looked back since. We're just now testing it for the first time. Well, technically the second time, but in this time period we're testing it and we're holding it. And it's no surprise to me that it's really important because you know, this is as you recover from the moving averages, you trend, and then you test that trend, and then you move on. And maybe sometime after that, we'll break down from the 50. But I do suppose we'll hold it this time. Nothing's for a fact, but holding it for now. Now, looking over to the MACD, the MACD is almost back to that zero neutral line, and I'm still looking for this to be a sideways move, whether that be a flat or a triangle. Nothing has changed. It hasn't changed for weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 weeks we've been talking about this, almost 2 months. We're looking to go sideways. This is a wave 4. So you have very few options that you could do. We already had a zigzag down from wave 2, so the rule of alternation says that we're going to do something else. So I'm looking for a sideways move, and an alternative would be that we have a big complex correction, maybe 2 double zigzags and a flat, blah, 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 all the way down, and we start really hitting it hard to the downside. I don't really see that happening. We really have to get under this 50 week and start breaking underneath these lows here. Okay, so we're coming into some support. Also, we're neutral on the RSI. Let's move on to the daily, see if we have some more information we can learn. Trend is our friend. Okay, so this massive move down that this bearish engulfing is happening here. So we had this ABC, this 3-wave move down. We're looking for an ABC up, but we're really struggling with this wave B. Okay, so we had our 3-wave on a minute level, 3-wave move up for A, a 3-wave move down for B, and we do believe that's over. And we were looking for a low, being that this would be a 3-wave move up here. But that low, I did not think we'd get so deep, but looking on the 65, we'll go over there, we'll see the retracement on that. So now I do actually think we're on our way higher. We're not out of the woods, we're underneath all the MAs. We're really gonna have to work hard on this, but I do believe we're gonna start working our way up to much higher levels, possibly to the 4,700 area. All right, we are what looks like we might be faking over, trying to make a bear cross here, back over on the daily, and then we're triangulating on the RSI. You can see it better on the 65. So let's go down there. 65-minute chart. Change the board. And what do we have here? Okay, after this is our. Let's move back out just a little bit. Is this 65? No, this. The 130. Okay, for the 65-minute, we had our 3-wave move up for an A. We're looking for that B. If we ended it here, then we would start our wave C. So we had our A, B, C up, the 3-wave move up, our 5-wave move or 3-wave move down. For the correction, we thought it would have ended much higher for the 618 or so, but we came right down to the 88.7. That all that says is an A, B. It's just not likely that it's an actual 1, 2 where we get a 5-wave move up. Okay, so that's giving us clues on that aspect that it's a real deep correction. And look at this massive move we're getting overnight. Not well, massive for being 8:45 p.m. Up a 0.5% off of this 88.7. We regain the weekly support, also once resistance, and we're let's see where we go into tomorrow. So we're gonna have to try to make a crossover here. But looking at the RSI, let's kind of bring this up. The RSI, when you are in a triangle, you are going to obey to the triangle in the RSI, and we so far are doing that. We came down into support, peeked through it just a little bit, and that is another clue that we bottomed out for this move, and we're looking for much higher levels at this point. So that's all I want to show you. Give a little bit of confidence, but we will have a weekend video where we're going to be much more thorough in our advancement. The weekly close is very important. So let's go ahead and end this here. And thanks for joining us, guys. Don't forget to hang out with us in the option guys, the options guy in the check it out in the description, and we'll see you there. Have a great day.